do it till, however, when the
So you could be doing this 100 times.
You could if you're very strong.
Okay, then.
You could. Okay, great.
All right, next.
Enough.
Do some crunches for us, please.
Crunches? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now these would help the stomach muscles?
Yes, the abdomen and the back. Okay. And
You want this one?
yes.
Okay.
This is the basic crunch. This is a mainstay of exercise. Anyone can do it anywhere. And again, it's one of these exercises that duration matters. So you don't need necessarily equipment, but you do need
Just do it as long as you can until
Right.
you tire your muscles out.
Right.
Mary Jane, are you tired now?
No.
You go, girl.
Roll over. This is the stretch, the back extension.
Oh, this
The
one.
back
Okay.
extensions
Excuse
will
me.
help.
That's for the back. It's for the 3 regions of the back. And with the, okay, extend this hand. Remember? Right.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And
Now,
hold
tell
that.
me a little bit more about your program at the Y.
Okay, it's a 12-week program, and it starts out with, you work with a personal trainer. It's free of charge. It's a 12-week program.
Free is a good thing.
Yes, well, it's included in the membership. And among other things, when the people don't make it to the gym, we have our counselors and trainers call them at home to remind them to keep up with their
Impressed there. You
Right.
go.
Okay, so let's do the lunges right now.
Lunges would be for the thighs?
Right, they're for the quads and the hamstrings.
Okay.
And
As you're
Right.
doing that, can you tell us if you have a telephone number if we'd like to get in touch with you, we want to take part in this?
right, okay, the telephone number for the Westside Y is 875-4100.
I think we're going to put that on the screen.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Right. Okay, I'm going to do this also when she does this because she has some knee problems.
Go ahead.
Now, depending on the person's abilities, you can go very deep and you can get a lot out of this. It depends on the person.
Okay. Now, if you can't do something like that because you have knee problems, what else do you suggest?
She can do it. Well, watch this.
Well,
You
we
can-
know Mary Jane can do just about anything.
Well, if you have knee problems, you can like use a prop like a chair, or some furniture.
can't do
and
what he does.
Squats.
Not many people can do what he does. All right, Joe Leonard, thank you so much. Mary
Thank you.
Jane White.
Thank you.
You can continue doing this if you'd like, as we tell you after a short break. How much would you pay for a watch worn by, say, Paul Newman? Celebrity Watch is just ahead. You go.
This is for
All right.
Okay, Donald.
You're making us tired in the studio.
So you're going to do jump
We're
rope,
ready to
let's
go
do a
back to
jab,
bed.
and you want to do some lunges. And this way you can make a lot of good variety with your workout so you don't get bored.
Right.
So if you do a minute of jump rope, go ahead, do the, let's see some jumping jacks with your jump rope. This is when you get more advanced, and some lunges,
Oh, yeah, much more advanced.
right? And then show some tricks. Here's some excellent. Whoa!
Oh. Woo!
And this
Let's
is something
get out
you
of
can
the
work your
range
way
of
up to.
fire here.
Now we're going to show, if you have a partner, you can do lunges. So Diane's going to do some jumping rope, and Donald's going to spot her so she can work now.
Okay, while
Other parts
you're
of her body.
working, we're going to take it out of here.
Okay.
Thank you for being with us. If folks want to
Thank
learn
you.
more about this,
We're at
we can
Workout
give
Partners,
you-
a personal training facility on 29th Street.
Okay.
Why don't you show her some lunges, and it's at 212-564-6315. It's a fantastic way to work out.
Woo, we're
You have a
exhausted
partner.
here.
That's right. Personal training.
All right, thank you so much for being with us,
Thank you
Lauren
very much,
Shepherd.
Lynn.
And thanks, guys. Glad
job.
you did it, not us. After a short break, find out why some students are getting college credit for sucking face. Go